Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. We are from Group 1 will represent our title, which is Faculty Attitudes Towards Student Uses of AI. This is for our team member. There is three of us, which is Iman Nur Sarah, Nur Afina, and me, which is Nurul Ain Fatiha. First and foremost is our problem statement. In an ideal academic environment, students will use AI tools such as ChatGPT and Grammarly to improve their learning, complete tasks more efficiently, and prepare for careers requiring technology skills. So, educator will provide a guidance to ensure these tools are used ethically while helping students develop independent thinking skill. However, in reality, many faculty members feel uncertain or concerned about the use of AI in education. Some fear that students may become overly dependent on AI, while others struggle with the absence of clear guidelines for acceptable use. This uncertainty leads to mixed message for students, resulting in confusion, misuse of AI, and weakened trust between teachers and students, ultimately impacting the quality of the learning experience. So therefore, this study aims to investigate faculty attitude towards student use of AI tools, focusing on how faculty, which is educators, can promote ethical and effective AI use while ensuring students continue to develop critical thinking and independent learning skills.
Now, I will talk about the research objectives of this study. There are four objectives. First, to identify how often students use AI tools and the types of tools they use for academic purposes. Second, to explore the impact of AI integration on different aspects of university student life. Third, to assess faculty perspectives on encouraging students to use AI tools effectively and ethically in their learning. And lastly, to explore faculty views on how they can guide students to use AI wisely while still developing critical thinking and independent learning skills. Then, according to the objectives, we have developed the following research questions to guide our study. First, how often and for what academic tasks are students using AI tools? Next, how does AI integration impact various aspects of university student life? Third, to what extent do lecturers support students to use AI tools ethically and effectively to enhance their academic learning? And finally, what strategies do lecturers use to balance promoting the use of AI tools with developing students' independent problem solving and analytical skills?
Next, literature review. The use of AI in education is growing quickly, so it is very important to understand how faculty view its use. This review looks at their opinions, concerns, and the need for clear guidelines. It also offers insight to help ensure AI is used responsibly and effectively in academic settings. The first theme is faculty perceptions on AI integration. First, general supports. An article from Harris 2024 found that faculty generally support AI in education. Next, an article from Office Ampong 2024 states that 84% agree students can use AI. An article from Cliff et al. 2024 shows a positive views, but AI can't replace human educators. Next, faculty concerns. An article from Harris 2024 concerns about academic honesty and issues. Next, an article from Richardson et al. 2024 shows a concerns about privacy, ethics, and access. Next, an article from Espartinis 2024, they worries about the cheating and poor learning outcomes. The next theme is need for clear policies and guidance. First, call for clear policies. Article from Harris 2024 emphasizes that the need for policy is to maintain academic standards. Next, article from Jackson et al. 2024 found that ethical use and proper guidance is very crucial. Next, different faculty views. Article from Espartinis 2024 states that there are many different faculty views. One of them are cautious and ethical use, blend AI with traditional methods, and the use of AI for efficiency and learning benefits. The last theme is AI for personalized learning and efficiency. AI has given many benefits for teaching. An article from Richardson et al. 2024 states that AI helps personalized learning. Then, article from Cliff et al. 2024 found that AI boosts personalized instruction and teaching efficiency. Lastly, article from STA420 2024 states that teachers value AI for saving time and enhancing learning. Overall, universities support using AI in education, especially for benefits like personalized learning. However, there are many concerns about misuse. This review highlights the need for clear policies and proper training to ensure ethical and effective use of AI. As higher education adapts to AI, strong support and guidance for faculty are very essential. Future research should explore AI's real impact on learning, improve training programs, and examine how AI may change teaching and the role of educators. Next, methodology. Research design used in this study is cross-sectional quantitative. It contains prevalence, perceptions, patterns of AI usage within a specific population. Next, instrumentation used in this study is self-administered questionnaire using Google Forms, which consists of three sections. Section A is about demographic, Section B is about usage pattern, and Section C is about faculty perceptions of AI. Then, population and sampling. The population of this study is full-time undergraduate students in UiTM Shah Alam, and a non-probability sampling technique is employed to collect the data, which consists of 90 sample size. Then, data collection procedure. Data was collected online over a 1 week period in July 2025, and then all the raw data was exported from Google Forms into Microsoft Excel for cleaning and analysis, and the data was organized according to the research questions, and then all the analysis are done using IBM Statistic version 29.
Next is for the result. As you can see, we use pie chart for represent our result, where these results are from the 90 completed questionnaire. This sample consists of students from various faculty with the largest representation like science and technology student, which is their percent is 85.6%. Social science is 7.8% and art and creative is 6.7%. Most respondents were 18 to 20 years old, which is 51.1%, and 21 to 23 years old, which is their percentage is 43.3%. When asked about their use of AI tool for academic works, 26.7% of students reported using always use them, while 53.2% often use AI tools, and only 3.3% rarely use of AI tools. The most common uses for AI were firstly is research and information searching, which is 90%. Secondly is academic writing and assignment, which is the percentage is 88.9%. The third one is the language learning, which is 54.4%, and the fourth one is the personal productivity, which is 33.3%. The fifth one is the creative project, which is 31.1%, and the sixth, which is the entertainment, the percentage of this entertainment is 30%, and the last one is the career planning or resume building, which is 25.6%. Next is the result for mean score for faculty encouragement and support for responsible AI use. You can see the mean is 3.4630 and the standard deviation for this are 0.91143, and also the variance is 0.831. Then, while faculty are supportive of AI use, there is also an emphasis on guiding students to use AI tools wisely to ensure that critical thinking and independent problem-solving skills are maintained. The other table shows the mean score for statement related to how students perceive faculty guidance in balancing AI use with the development of core learning skills.
Okay, so just now we have seen the results presented by Fatiha. I will now explain what these results mean and how they relate to the studies discussed in our literature review. First, let's look at Table 4.1, which focus on faculty encouragement and support for responsible AI use. The mean score here is 3.46, which falls in the agree category. This means a student feel that their lectures support AI use as long as it is used responsibly. So this result aligns with studies by Harris, Ofosu Empong, and Cliff et al., which also reported positive faculty attitudes toward AI in education. But as highlighted in the literature, Harris and Espartinas also mentioned concerns about students becoming too dependent on AI. This shows that while lecturers are supportive, they still expect AI to be used in the right way. Next, table 4.2 shows faculty guidance on balancing AI use with critical thinking and independent learning. The mean score here is 3.58, also in the agree category. This indicates that students feel their lecturers are trying to guide them to use AI responsibly while still maintaining their critical thinking skill. So this supports findings by Espartinas, who highlighted lecturer concerns about overdependence on AI, and by Harris and Rickardson et al., who emphasized the need for clear guidelines and ethical AI use. Although both mean scores fall under the agree range, they are not in the strongly agree category. This means there is still room for improvement. Maybe some students may not receive assistant guidance, and some lecturers may need more preparation to handle AI related issues. This supports the literature that highlights the need for clearer policies, proper training, and guidance for educators, as emphasized by Harris and Rickardson et al.
So lastly, for our conclusion is the study reveals that faculty generally have a positive attitude towards the use of AI by students, recognizing the potential to enhance writing, save time, and improve learning efficiency. However, many concerned about the students becoming too dependent on AI, which could weaken their critical thinking skills. There is also a lack of clear ethical guidelines regarding its use. In conclusion, while AI offers significant benefits in education, it is important to establish clear policies and promote responsible use to ensure AI supports learning in balanced and ethical way. That's all from us. Thank you.